welcome to Homestead. Welcome to How to Grow a Garden. We're back and we're at it again. Can you guys see this if I move out of the way? Yay! Now there is a clothesline in the way and I desperately need to take that blanket off the clothesline because it is getting a little cold and chilly and it's time for it to come inside. It's been out for way too long. But that aside, look, we're building a new chicken coop. How exciting! The floor is going in. The walls went up yesterday, and considering how fast Bo works, I actually expect him to be done within the week. He's very meticulous, very picky, but he's also really, really good, and he's quick. He's pretty fast, so I expect him to be done pretty soon. Bella's checking it out. Yeah, what do you think? What do you think, Bella? You like it? It's not your house, you have a house. That is the new chicken house. So I figured out the layout and all the details, but then we went and changed the location just a little bit. We moved over by a few meters. In fact, I think last time I talked to you guys, it was going to be way over there near the goat barn. So this is over here on the back side, I'll show you later, see if I can get a clip of it. So we're on the back left side of the house, up the valley. And because I altered it a little bit, the whole, the shape has changed, so I have to take some time and refigure out how the layout's gonna be. But I'm really excited, it's gonna look awesome. We'll be able to walk right up to it. The gate or the fence will attach on both sides, so I'll be able to walk right up. There's gonna be some beautiful windows and the door on the side and a little run out the back. So we'll see, this is really cool. Just wanted to give you guys a little heads up and let you know that we are building a coop. Yay! Thanks for watching. I'm Scarlett. Toodaloo. So I don't want to give anything away, but I'm standing in here. I just got the roof on, and there's two little windows that are going right here. These are unframed, so they're going to be built right in, and they go floor to almost ceiling. There's a little bit of space up there, but they're going to go up a bit so that I have a little bit of space at the bottom for hay and stuff. I don't want them right on the floor. Then back here, I go, wee, turn around. There's this beautiful opening back here, right, which would eventually be a wall, but we have a monster window with an arched top, and if I can convince Bo to put it in there, I think it would be incredibly gorgeous. On this wall, going towards the back of the house, there's going to be a tiny little entrance exit door for like a chicken coop door, so they can get in and out, so I can just walk up and open it. And then over here, behind me, there'll be an entrance so I can walk in the coop, and then this way we're going to have a run, and there'll be another door here so I can come in and go to the coop, or go in the run and then come in the coop. However that ends up working. You know, if I'm leaving them in the coop / run all day, then I need an access point so that they're not hopping out the moment I'm opening the door. So it's happening. He's putting in the windows, he's framing them in right now, and then he's gonna cut the plywood around that and add some more. We're just putting all the plywood in, and we have to know where the doors are going, obviously, so the two sides are being done up, and then the back will be the window. Yeah, that's going to require some really good framing and some work to do an awesome job on that. But I can show you what the window looks like if I can get down here. See, it's a nice giant window. It's huge. There's also a big sliding door, two sliding doors, I think, one without a frame and one with a frame. We've been collecting them for a while for all these lovely projects. So I'm going to go inside and edit this for you guys and post it. Hope you enjoyed it. Nice little update, and I'll see you in the next episode. Toodaloo!